Welcome to Captiva IT Consulting Service, your local IT experts. We are dedicated to solving your technology challenges with ease and expertise. Are you struggling with tech issues at home or in your business? Whether it's a malfunctioning computer or network troubles, we understand the frustration. Captiva IT Consulting Service is here to assist you. Our friendly technicians are ready to greet you with a smile and provide personalized IT solutions tailored to your needs. We cater to both home users and small businesses. Our comprehensive services include troubleshooting and repairs, system optimization, data security, and network setup and management. Whatever your IT needs, we have you covered. Why choose Captiva IT Consulting Service? We are reliable, local, and professional. Our technicians are committed to delivering top-notch service, ensuring your satisfaction every step of the way. For your convenience, we come directly to your home or office. Trusted by homeowners and businesses in Captiva and beyond, our clients consistently give us positive reviews for our dependable service. Serving all your IT needs in Captiva, Florida, we are just a call away. Contact us at 239-421-8187 for fast and reliable IT consulting. Visit us online at captivaconsultingservice.com to learn more. Captiva IT Consulting Service, your local IT experts.